Mr. MC Abbas. He is our candidate from PTM layout. He is one of the youth icons of Karnataka, National Award winner, IPL host, and has been working with youth and colleges in various capacities. We wish him luck, and we hope that he will bring new energy.
This election gives you the chance to choose Aapka Awaaz. This election gives you the chance to select Aapka Awaaz.
This election gives you the chance to choose Aapka Awaaz.
This election gives you the chance to choose Aapka Awaaz.
This election gives you the chance to choose Aapka Awaaz. This election gives you the chance to choose Aapka Awaaz.
This election gives you the chance to choose Aapka Awaaz.
This election give you the chance select Abbas.
इस इलेक्शन में युवा को मौका दीजिए, चूज आपका अब्बास.
Dr. Asad Abbas, and I have watched you right from the time you were born. When we won the 1983 World Cup, you were not born as right? But you have read about me and whatever it is. So I wish you the very best of luck in wherever, whatever you are approaching for. Because I have known you for your dedication, your determination and service to humanity in general. And you have always been, you have got a lot of degrees, he has got a lot of degrees along with him in journalism and various other, and he has been a master of ceremonies into many.
ಈ ಸಲ BTM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು BTM ಲೇಔಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Abbas, who's now next to me, was once upon a time a student of Jain College. He was such a shy speaking boy, and today I see him a most transformative and transformational leader in the making. And the way he has communicated himself and reached to that level of heights, which anybody would have taken at least 15-20 years. But at this young age, being the top 10 motivational speakers in India and top
BTM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು BTM ಲೇಔಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Aapka Awaaz.
ಸೂಪರ್.
Hi, this is Bhavna Arora, an author. This election gives youth a chance. Choose Abbas.
Hi there, I am Neeraj Kumar, a former police officer, author of Dial D for Dawn on the Mumbai underworld. These elections give young people the chance. Vote for Abbas.
Between the Ramalinga Reddy of Congress, Devdas of JDS, and MC Abbas of AAP. News 9 visits your constituency to bring you the ground report from every ward to find out the people's verdict.
I saw my brother, sensation, you know the name, Danish Seth.
No, he's being very polite. Listen, this election gives youth a chance. Find out about the people who are contesting in your constituency. Abbas is one of them. I know him personally. I know he's a great guy. He means good, wants to do good. Find out, and if you think he's the man for you, vote for him. Just the way I'm going to go and research my candidates, you got to do that as well. Give you the chance, all right? Figure out, do your research. He's a nice guy. I know that. He's a nice guy.
Thank you.
No bad intention.
Something in next style.
Peace. Vote for him.
Father Thomas Matthew. Well, it's been a great journey here at Christ University doing my Masters in Mass Communication. And Father has been a guru, an inspirational figure, and always been encouraging all of our students in all our endeavors. So Father, what would your best wishes be?
So wish you all the best. May God's blessings on you for your future dreams You are great in your life. Your optimism makes you great. All the best.
Thank you.
Have a great, successful life. Being a Christite, be confident. You march on with full faith in you and faith in others and faith in God. All
Thank
the
you.
best.
Thank you, Father. Like we say, march on, Christites march on. Right, Father?
Fine. All the best.
Thank
march
you.
on.
Abbas, you want to say something? Yeah, go ahead. Good evening, gentlemen. My question precisely to Sir from BJP. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi does Man Ki Baat. When will he do Janta Ki Baat? When will he do Yuva Ki Baat? Pakoda selling might be profitable, sir, but then all of us might not be interested in it. We might have different things. When will entrepreneurship cells be held? When will the women be protected? Why do your party people take out rallies to protect the rapists?
And this is not going to be a political platform. So, yeah, three questions. That's okay. So, but he's asked relevant questions. He's asked some relevant questions. He's asked some relevant. He said, well, are there entrepreneurship cells? Is it part of your manifesto? What's your plan? Answer them, sir.
Sir, this concept of the 2 crores job is not being given. Where is the data for that it has not been given? In India, we do not have statistics where we can pinpoint that so much of job is created in the organized sector.
Here, the man who gave me an opportunity to bring out the orator in me of the Krupanidhi College and group of institutions, the chairman, sir, Professor Suresh Nagpal. Sir, what would you like to say to everybody?
I'm extremely happy today MC Abbas has come to Krupanidhi College again. He was my student. I know him. He is a most honest and trustworthy and dynamic personality. And I want all the youngsters of Karnataka must support him and send a youth to the Legislative Council. Thank you very much. All the best, Mr. Abbas.
Thank you.
I'm sure you will make difference in politics.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Means so much to me.
Syed Abbas is VJ and anchor, also the Aam Aadmi Party candidate in the upcoming elections.
Well, let him ask his question. It's not just snow and forth. It's a lot more than burning of the lakes. You know, we see the lakes burning, especially the Belandur Lake. Yeah. And Belandur Lake, let me tell you, it's become the new Bermuda Triangle. Nothing is being done about it. Nobody wants to go to it. So many times we hear from the NGT, the government needs to respond. The bodies committees are being formed, but nothing is being done about it. And the fire extinguishers are so helpless. How do they reach right in the center and they are able to extinguish? The lakes are on fire. There are a lot of women there, especially there was this case which I read. A woman who was pregnant was affected and she had to undergo an abortion. Wow. Not only that, a lot of kids around that area being affected and being ill and not being able to attend their exams. Who is responsible to this?
So the BJP government, coalition government, and along with the Congress government, irrigation department.
Syed Asad Abbas, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the Karnataka State Legislative Assembly, I do swear in the name of God, affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. Dr. Syed Asad Abbas.
और क्या बताना चाहिए?
Ambedkar Jayanti, and a proud moment for me to garland the statue here in Koramangala of the great father of the Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. A freedom fighter, a philosopher, and most importantly, a true leader in all sense. Here is Aapka Pass paying tribute to this wonderful legendary personality. Jai Hind.
लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, अली वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती।
थैंक यू सर। आजकल के यूथ बहुत समझदार और वो हम ये चाहते हैं कि यूथ को मौका मिलना चाहिए। बहुत राजनीति बड़े बुजुर्गों की हो गई है, अब थोड़ा यूथ के हाथ में कमान देनी चाहिए। तो यूथ जो भी करेंगे हमें पूरा विश्वास है कि वो ठीक ही करेंगे।
जरूर मैं भी
समझदारी, एजुकेशन वगैरह, क्योंकि हमने बहुत देखा है सरकार को चाहते हैं कि अच्छे ही होते हैं आप लेकिन एक एजुकेटेड में एक अनपढ़ में बहुत अंतर हो जाता है। तो हम चाहते हैं कि भाई आज का यूथ एजुकेटेड भी है, समझदार है, सब कुछ है, बहुत चीज़ की नॉलेज है।
आजकल हिंदुस्तान में ऐसा हो गया,
आपने इतनी रोल भी ले रखी है, तो हम भी चाहते हैं कि यूथ को मौका मिले।
Teachers for our college, hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Teachers for our wonderful chairman, Dr. Suresh Nagpal, hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Bolo Bharat Mata ki! Bolo Bharat Mata ki! Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.
Here with the nicest, sweetest, quietest college in the history, Indian Academy. Is that all the energy you have? Come on! Youth Force, are you with me? Are you with me? Yes! Are you with me? Yes! Bharat Mata ki! Jai! Bharat Mata ki! Jai! Thank you guys. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
यहाँ आ चुके हैं. Can we have MC Abbas? Can we have a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Well, it's so good to be here. The most important thing is, I have been a part of Jain University. आप सबके जैसे मैं भी एक student ही हूँ. It's so proud to be here, especially at this wonderful My Country run. I just want to tell you all, keep your heads high, keep rocking, no matter what you do, keep shining. And most importantly, आप सबका भाई youth representation लेके इस चुनाव में contest कर रहा है. I've been chosen as an MLA candidate from a national party, and I want all of you to come together and this time make the youth win. These elections give youth a chance. My friends, choose Aapka Pass. Thank you very much for being here. And
Good evening, friends. It's less than 24 hours to go for the Karnataka elections 2018. My one request is, please give youth a chance. There has been no money power, no muzzle power. It's only youth power. Please give me a chance to come in and bring a difference with a lot of efficiency and good work. This elections give youth a chance, because faith is the bird that feels the light when the dawn is still dark. My serial number is 7. The name on the ballot is Dr. Syed Asad Abbas. In brackets, it's MC Abbas. And along with that, the symbol is broom. Jhadu Porke. Please vote for broom. Serial number 7. Thank you very much. God bless you.